Good morning, children. Welcome to math class. In our last session, we discussed exercise 2.5. With that, we have completed the chapter. And in this chapter, addition, we have learned addition of adding two-digit number. Addition of two-digit number, and also we learned how to add three numbers. And we also learned that though we change the order of the numbers, the sum remains the same. And today we are going to discuss mental math. And in this also we are going to learn two-digit additions. Okay. In mental math, the first bit A, use the number grid to add. By using with the help of these numbers 1 to 100, we will add the numbers. Okay, here the questions are given. Now we'll add the numbers by using this table 1 to 100 numbers. Okay, now see here the example is given, that is 34 plus 12. 12 equal to, that means regrouping 12. So when we regroup 12, what happens? Here 110 plus how many ones, children? 2 ones. As 2 is in 1's place and 1 is in 10's place, 12 equal to 10 plus 2. So without adding or without drawing the lines and counting, just with the help of this table, we will do additions. Okay, children. Now see here, the first number is 34. So here 34 is circled it. So when, see the arrow, when it is down means what happened? When it moves down one box, it is plus 10. So 34, when it moves down, what happened? It is 44. So how much it is increased? It is increased by 10. Now 10 plus 2. So move 2 digits, children. 45 is 1, 46 is 2. So 34 plus 12 is how much? 46. Just by moving down only we can add the numbers. Okay. Now see here, 62 plus 25. Now we'll add this, split 25. So 25 equal to how many ones and how many tens, children? See the first one. Here 62 as it is, it will be. Now 25 means how many tens here? In tens place 2, ones place 5. So 25 equal to, we can write as 20 plus 5. Okay. Now as 25 equal to 20 plus 5, so how many boxes we have to move down, children? When we come down one box, it is increased by 10. If we move down by 2 boxes, then only we can increase by 2 times, that is 20. Okay, so here the first number is 62. Circle 62. Okay, now 62 plus 25 means 20. When we split it, what happened? It is 20 plus 5. So 20 means how many boxes we should move down? When we move down one box, 72 means it's increased by 10. We have to increase by 20. So that is 82. After 82, in one's place, what is the digit, children? 5. So move towards here, from 82 towards forward in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 62 plus, here it is 20, and when we move 5, what happened? What is the number where we reach? We reach to 87. 87. So 62 plus 25 is how much, children? It's 87. So write down 87 here. The second question is 19. Second question. Here the second question is 19 plus 24. So 19 we will circle here in the box where it is. Here 19 is there. So circle 19. Now 24. Here what is there in tens place, children? 2 is there in tens place. So 20 plus 4 in ones place. So 24. So how many boxes we have to come down? When we come down, one box means 1 10. Another box, here we want 2 tens. So come down 2 tens. Okay, move down 2 boxes. 19, when it come down one box, so 29, 110, we want 2 tens, so 39. Okay, from here we have to move forward. How many, Emma? How many ones in ones digit? What is the number? Number 4 is there, so you have to move forward 4 times. See children, this is 1. From after 40, the next number is 41. 2, 3, 4. So where we stop it here? 43. So here 19 plus 24 is how much? It's 43. Circle 43, children, and write the answer here in the box. 43. Okay. Shall we do the third one? Here the third one. The numbers in the third question are 21 plus 48. Here 21. So circle the first number, children. Where is first number? 21. Here it's 21. So circle 21. Now here 48 is there. So in tens place what is there? 4 is there. So 40, and in ones place 8. 48. What we have to do is, so when we move one box down, it is increased by 1 10. So here how many tens are there? 4 tens are there. So come down by 4. So move down towards 4 boxes. 21, 1, 31, 2, 41, 3, 51, 4, 61. Okay, from 61 you have to move 8 digits forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the number here? It's 69. So the answer is 69. 21 plus 48 is how much, children? It's 69. Write 69 in the blank. Okay. Now next, the numbers in the fourth question are 36 plus 51. Here 36 is there. So we'll circle 36. Here 36. Circle 36, children. Now next, here the second number is 51. So 51 means how many tens? 5 tens plus 1 ones. So 5 is in tens place, 1 is in ones place. So you have to move down 5 boxes. Okay. So from 36 you have to move down 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 36 plus 50 is how much? It's 86. Now you have to move forward 1 digit. So when you move forward 1 digit, what is the answer, children? It's 87. 87 is the answer. Okay. So write 87 in the blank. Now next, fifth question. 35 plus 25. The first number is 35. So we will circle 35 here. Now the next number is 25. 25 means 20 plus 5. Has 2 in ones place, 2 in tens place, and 5 is 1 place. So the value of 2 is 20 and 5 is 5 itself only. Okay. Now 35 plus 20 means you have to move 2 boxes. So now move 2 boxes towards the downwards, children. 35 plus 10 45 plus 10 55. Now here in ones place 5 is there, so move 5 digits, children. 1 2 3 4 5. So the answer is where it is stopping? At 60. So round off 60 here. 35 plus 25 is how much? It's 60. Write 60 in the blank. Isn't it very easy, children? Without drawing the lines, we can do addition with the help of 1 to 100 numbers. Okay. Now here the last question. The first number is 73. So circle 73 here in the box. Okay, now we have circled it. Now next 16. So in ones place 6 and tens place 1 is there. So 16 equal to 10 plus 6. So how many boxes you have to move down, children? Has only one 10 is there. So only one box. Move down one box. Now from here you have to move forward 6 times. Has 6 is there in ones place. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So where we are stopping here? At 89. So 73 plus 16 is how much? It's 89. Write 89 in the blank, children. Okay. We have completed first bit. We have did the addition without any calculations. We have did it, isn't it? Now the second bit, bit B. Add the numbers in the squares to fill in the circle. Here in each question 3 squares are there on the squares. The number is there. You have to add the numbers on the square and write the answer in the circle. Okay. Now here the first question. See the first question, children. First number is 4, next 9, next 6. So add 4 plus 9 plus 6. Okay. And write the answer in the circle. So here 4 and 9. 9 is bigger number, 4 is smaller number. So we'll draw 4 lines here and count after 9, children. 10, 11, 12, 13. So 4 plus 9 is how much? It's 13. Okay. Now 13 plus 6. So draw 6 lines. Count after 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 4 plus 9 plus 6 is how much? It's 19. Write 19 in the circle. Okay, good. Now next second question. Here the numbers are 6, 3, 7. First add 6 and 3, then add 7. Okay. Here 6 is the bigger number, 3 is the smaller number. So draw 3 lines and count after 6, children. 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 equal to 9. Now add 7 to 9, children. Draw 7 lines. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How much it is? 16. 6 plus 3 plus 7 is 16. So write 16 here. Okay, this depends on the addition facts. This bit is totally depends on the addition facts. See here, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 9, 19, and 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16. Did you remember the addition table, children? Shall we write the addition table of 10 here so that it will be very easy for us to do this bit? So 10 plus 0 equal to 10. Have you remember? Now we'll write this side in the first side decreasing order and second plus increasing order. Decreasing plus increasing equal to 10. Okay, already 10 is here. So next is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now plus, write in increasing order. 0 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here 9 plus 1 is 10, 8 plus 2 10, 7 plus 3 10, 6 plus 4 10, 5 plus 5 10, 4 plus 6 10, 7 plus 3 10, 2 plus 8 10, 1 plus 9 10, 0 plus 10 is 10. Okay, now see here. Third one, here the numbers are 5 plus 5 plus 7. Children, 5 plus 5 is how much? 5 plus 5 is 10. So here it's 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. Okay, 10 plus 1 is 11. 10 plus 2 12. 10 plus 3 13. Like that, 10 plus 7 is 17. Okay, now see the fourth question. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6. So 4 plus 6 is how much, children? It's 10. So 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, now next, fifth question. Look here. 8 plus 2 is, what is 8 plus 2? 8 plus 2, 10. Now 10 plus 6 is how much, children? 10 plus 6, 16. Write 16 in the circle. Now see the next question. 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 how much, children? Already we did a problem. See the third problem is 5 plus 5 plus 7. And sixth problem is 5 plus 5 plus 5. So here 5 plus 5 is how much? It's 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Okay. Now see the seventh question. Here the numbers are 7, 1, 9. If we see last two numbers, children, 1 and 9. 1 plus 9 is how much? It's 10. So 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. Now next, eighth question. See from the last onwards. 8 plus 2 plus 9. So 8 plus 2 is how much, children? See here, look at the addition facts of 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. Okay. Now with this we have completed mental mass. In today's session we have learned addition facts of 10 as well as adding two numbers without drawing the lines or without calculation. Just by using the number grid we have done the additions. Hope you all enjoyed mental mass, children. And today your homework is learn and write mental mass in your notebook. Learn and write mental mass in your notebook. Okay? Okay, children. That's it for today. Stay home. Stay safe. See you in the next session. Bye, children.